Friends, let's be honest, creating 3D models can be more complicated than it should. So much software, tricky interfaces, and slow rendering can get in the way. Imagine a simpler way to turn your ideas into fully finished forms. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're checking out Hitem3D, a next-gen AI tool that turns 2D ideas into fully finished models quickly and effortlessly. It's designed for creators who want high-quality results without spending hours building every detail from scratch. We'll explore everything from generating detailed characters and segmenting models to creating 3D reliefs and using the Blender plugin for a smoother workflow. Along the way, I'll show you how these features can speed up your creative process. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this tool is all about. Folks, Hitem3D is perfect for game developers, 3D artists, and makers who want to turn 2D ideas into fully finished assets. What's more, recently version 2.0 was released, which brings a major upgrade to texture rendering and an amazing level of detail. Its biggest advantage is support for high-resolution output and improved model geometry. There's also a new segmentation tool that lets you divide a model into editable regions, an essential feature for refining details and preparing characters for animation. So friends, let's take a journey from a simple 2D concept to a fully finished 3D model, ready to use in your project. First, we can explore the options generated by version 2.0, check out the full details, and get inspired by new ideas. We'll begin in the Creative Spaces section. There are several modes here, but for our hero character, we'll use Image to 3D. I already have a drawn character for a computer game, and I simply upload it into the window. It supports most formats like JPEG and PNG, up to 25 megabytes. Now let's move on to the settings. To get the best result, we need to select Model 2.0. This version ensures the finest details, from armor to feathers. Next, in the resolution field, we set the maximum value. This is available in the Pro version and guarantees professional quality textures. Friends, for the generation type, we leave it at geometry and texture, so the AI creates both the shape and realistic coloring at the same time. That way, our character will look just like the original image. Finally, we click Generate and wait for the results. The task is split into two stages: geometry and texture generation. Mates, and just like that, the AI has created our model with nearly 2 million polygons and 1 million vertices. And I think that's an impressive number for automatic generation from just a single photo. Take a look at the texture map. It's pretty good. With no blurring at all, everything is crisp and the details in metal and fabric look incredibly realistic. And I think this model could be used in game engines or for further rendering in your projects. Guys, you can do a free retry if needed. You can also preview it in different forms like normal, albedo, and white diffuse, along with the rendered result. Then you may send it directly to a printer, as it is fully ready for printing. Plus, it can be downloaded in popular formats and shared with friends or colleagues. The next important step is segmentation. It basically lets you select specific areas of the model, such as an arm, a helmet, or a piece of armor, and regenerate or modify only that part without affecting the rest of the model. This is mainly used to organize different areas of the model. For example, guys, in production workflows, it helps assign colors for multicolor printing, simplifying assembly line loading and later modifications. Next, in the interface, we can see two modes: Beginner and Professional. For now, we'll start with Beginner mode. Here you can choose the level of detail: low, medium, or high. I am picking medium to strike a balance between detail and ease of work. The program automatically detects the edges of objects and prepares them for editing. All that's left is to click Generate and wait for the results. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! And just like that, the segmentation is complete. Now our warrior isn't just a single figure. It's a set of elements that can be combined or customized individually. You can select specific regions, like armor or weapons, and regenerate only that part without affecting the rest of the model. You can also merge regions, export the model in different formats, and prepare it for production or further editing. And at this point you already have a clean, fully separated model ready to work with. Then, folks, let's move on to one of the most exciting features for anyone working with 3D printing or making custom souvenirs, the 3D relief mode. It's perfect for creating custom coins, pendants, logos, or even decorative elements for furniture. And guys, using it is simple. We just drag our image into the upload window. I've prepared a sketch of a medallion with a lion. Then I click Generate and wait for the result. Within seconds, the system analyzes the depth of the image and produces a full 3D model, ready for printing or CNC machining. Guys, look at the depth of this relief. It's an excellent result. And finally, there's a built-in Blender plugin. Once installed in a professional Blender environment, it integrates cloud-based generation directly into your workflow. We can import our warrior and generate new versions or variations directly inside Blender. This is perfect for creating multiple models, adjusting individual objects, or fine-tuning complex materials. This workflow saves a ton of time because you don't have to manually import models or set up textures. Alright, my friends, let's wrap things up. Today we explored Hitem3D and saw just how powerful it is. It can turn a single 2D image into a fully detailed 3D model. We also looked at how to segment models for animation, create bas-reliefs, and work directly in Blender. What's really impressive is how fast and intuitive it is. The AI handles complex geometry, realistic textures, and high-resolution output automatically, which saves hours of manual work. Whether you're building characters for a game, designing props, or creating custom prints, Hitem3D makes the entire process much smoother. If you're curious to see what you can build with it, check out the link in the description and try Hitem3D for yourself. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.